This is a video clip which has been made or is being made of Veer Ravindra Koda Park in Indarpuri. This park is supposed to be or is designated as an ornamental park in Master Plan 2021 for Delhi. However, for narrow political gains, the politicians of this area and the MCD department, horticulture department, is allowing this park to lie in a state of neglect and giving it out for marriage functions only. Not a blade of grass grows here. Look at the littering. Where will the children play? There are cows roaming around. There are vegetables and other leftovers of the party strewed all over. Something needs to be done. In the next election, whether it is the municipal corporation elections or the elections for your MLA, I implore the residents of Indarpuri and Indarpuri JJ Colony to please keep in mind whom you are voting for. Is he working for the benefit of your area and colony, or is he working for his own benefit? I would also implore the Horticulture Department and the Ministry of Health and Environment to please look into the miserable condition of this park and do something urgently. This is the state of Veer Ravindra Koda Park on 21st April. The booking of this park is for 22nd April, but the MCD officials, namely Mr. Dharamveer Singh, has allowed the tent wala to dump all the material in this park on 21st itself, thus denying the residents the facility of using this park on 21st. Despite the Supreme Court ruling that this park will be booked for only 10 days, additional days are allowed to the contractor, either because of inefficiency of the MCD staff or due to monetary considerations given to them. It is requested that strict action be taken against these people. I had personally spoken to Mr. Dharamveer Singh at 11 o'clock in the morning. Then Mr. Harbir Singh and Mr. Sukhbir Singh. Yet, as you can see from this film, no action has been taken by them till 4:30 p.m. in the evening of 21st April, when there is no booking for 21st April. This is the condition in which Veer Ravindra Koda Park or Khaddewala Park is left after conduct of a marriage function. You can see the atrocious condition in which this park has been left. It will take a good part of the day to clean up this mess, and thus it will not be available to the children or other residents of this colony for use. Whereas the Supreme Court has said that functions can only be conducted for 10 days in a month. But with this kind of a mess which is created after marriages, the next day also goes in cleaning up, and thus the park is not available for the residents to use. And therefore, effectively, instead of 10, it is 20 days that the park is not available. Even cows are freely roaming around over here. There are tractors, water tankers, trucks which come into this park. It can just not be called a park. At best, it can be a wasteland. It can be called a wasteland. Chief Minister of Delhi talks about greening of Delhi. What greening are we talking about? Look at the state of this park, which could have been a beautiful green patch. Now this condition has resulted early in the morning. The whole night, the residents of the area living in and around this park, as you can see, there are all houses around this park. These residents just do not get any sleep because the dismantling of the structure created for the marriage parties creates enormous amount of noise, where steel to steel is banging, the trucks, the tables etc. are being loaded into the trucks because the trucks have to leave early in the morning to avoid being challaned. So with this kind of clatter going around and the noise of the laborers who are working, talking loudly to each other, it is impossible for the people living around this park to sleep. Therefore, an immediate stay on conduct of such functions should be accorded and directions be issued to MCD to convert this into an ornamental park with immediate effect. This is a marriage function where a DJ is playing, and this marriage function is being conducted in Khadda Park. You can just hear the loud music which is going on, and imagine how the children in the month of March, April and May will study for their exams. If DJs are permitted, if marriage functions are permitted in these open parks, how will people sleep? How will people who are unwell, who are heart patients, who got other chronic diseases, bear this? It is a health hazard. It is a problem for students, and therefore DJs should not be permitted in marriage or other functions conducted in open parks which belong to the MCD.